Look at pushing the ball.
You've lost it. It's over here, darling. Let's put it in the middle. See if your other little one. She did say they get a bit bored with the biscuits. There you go. It's just suckling on my finger. You eating that out of your hand? Yeah. A bit more. That's really good. Look at him go. That's loads. Oh, you both want to eat out of my hand now. Oh, well. Excellent. That's good. You're getting it all over your face. Yes, you are. All over your face. Oh my god. Oh, that's so She said Leroy would bark. I think that's Leroy, isn't it? He's actually got his phone.
Oh, somebody's getting angry.
Oh, so cute. Here you go. Wait. What a mess. Puppies, what a mess. That's an actual proper bit of a biscuit. Kim stood up like that on you. He's just pushing it away. It's alright, nearly your turn. You're going to be no left.